All right, there's a fresh showdown that's erupted in Maharashtra, specifically from the UBT camp over Belgavi, asking Belgavi to become a union territory. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has slammed the UBT Sena over the Belgavi controversy, saying, "We'll fight over Belgavi, we will not give up." Chief Minister Fadnavis has said Karnataka ministers who made statements against Savarkar's character. Maharashtra government condemns it, expresses protests against their statements. We'll also go on to fight till Belgaum and Nipani are made part of Maharashtra. 12 crore Maharashtra citizens stand behind the border area citizens and residents like Rock. Government will keep working for them. Vidya, so this is getting interesting. So Belgavi clearly is it's a sentiment issue as much for Maharashtra as is it for Karnataka. But Fadnavis has a lot to say. Tell us more, because I find it interesting that it's Aditya Thackeray after all who said, why not make it a union territory instead?
Well, in fact, there have been, this entire Belgavi issue and whether Belgavi should be part of Maharashtra, should it be declared, as Aditya Thackeray had suggested, that it should be made into a union territory. These are various issues that have been going on for many, many years now, decades, if I can say. And in fact, that's one of the reasons why many political parties have been speaking about this. But now that there is a Congress government in Karnataka, the allegations are that the Karnataka government is the one who is, violating constitutional rights. Because remember, it was during the winter session of the Karnataka, assembly that which was being held in Belgavi, that this entire section 144 was imposed. And apart from that, people who like the MES, the Maharashtra Ethical Committee, who wanted to protest, they have been disallowed. Many arrests have been made. Certainly, looking into all these aspects, the Maharashtra government has said that they will speak to the center as well, and they have denounced what the Karnataka government had done. But of course, many people see it as a very political issue, which has been boiling in the last many, many decades now.
All right, Vidya, keep tracking all the latest coming in. A political showdown only starting in the state of Maharashtra with the new government coming in. So what is it about Belgavi that has got Maharashtra and Karnataka into a showdown? It was Sena UBT MLA Aditya Thackeray who wrote to Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis urging him to push for a proposal to declare Belgavi and Karwar as union territories, saying Marathi Manus are facing injustice in these areas. Now, Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has described Sena UBT's demand as childish, referring to what Aditya Thackeray has said. He's added that the Mahajan report is final. Neither Karnataka nor Maharashtra should be pushing for either. Karnataka BJP President B.Y. Vijayendra, meanwhile, is claiming Belgavi is an integral part of the state. All parties in the state remain united. Vijayendra even asking Aditya Thackeray to not act immature in politics.
See, the demand made by Mr. Thackeray is not justifiable. See, Belgavi is an integral part of Karnataka. Not only Bharatiya Janata Party, entire the people of Karnataka are supporting this cause. We are not against Marathas, we are not against anybody. But claiming Belgavi for Maharashtra is not justifiable.
बेलगावी भारत में है, कर्नाटक में, उसके वजह से सभी बेलगावी लोग सेफ है. वो लोग आप मराठी बोलने वाला भी है, कन्नड़ बोलने वाले भी है, तेलुगु बोलने वाले भी है. भारत में है, उसके वजह से सेफ है. हम विशेष रूप में ध्यान देना बांग्लादेश के बारे में. आज हारा है उद्धव जी का गुट. महाराष्ट्र में बुरे रिजल्ट मिला है, बुरी हालत है. मेन स्ट्रीम में आने के लिए कुछ कोशिश करता है.
देखो, देश में हर नागरिक को कहाँ भी जाने का अधिकार है और वो अधिकार को कोई टाल नहीं सकता है. मुझे तो भी लगता है कि ये जो दंडुकशाही यहाँ पर कर्नाटक सरकार कर रही है उसका हम निषेध करते हैं. वो रोक देते हैं, इसका मतलब हम जाएंगे नहीं, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है. शिवसेना वहां पर जाएगी, टंके की चोट पर जाएगी और मुझे लगता है कि केंद्र सरकार ने उस सरकार को रोकना चाहिए, उन पर कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए. ऐसा हमारी सबकी मांग है.